One step
it's my birthday.
Crazy. One step out. Wait there. Happy birthday to you, Kyle. Any other special words for the camera at all?
No, just that my husband didn't want to jump with me.
Someone has to be the badass of the, of the relationship. One step forward. We're gonna take a quick photo. I want you to turn around and look inside. Do a 180. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Face me. You don't look nervous, which is good. How you feeling out here outside? He gets real on. It's gonna be the backup. Both hands there. Perfect. I want you to stay right here. Back up chest. Hands on. Backup is good. Clear. And you're gonna take this left hand, you bring it all the way over here from your birthday girl on the red, both feet on the yellow. Now I'm gonna give you a countdown. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here she comes. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, how was that?
Oh, it was awesome.
There you go. Anything you want to say to the camera?
That was awesome. Oh my God.